Yes, looks good.
What else? So this vlog is going to be a you guys, and welcome back to JaniqueJanee TV. No, I'm just playing. Welcome back to JaniqueJanee TV, and if you guys are new here, I am Janique, and welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my channel. Today is December.
Turn left onto East Linwood Drive.
What's today? December the 28th, I believe. Girl, what you doing with them dirty?
Head southeast on Date Street East toward Merido Avenue.
She got some. I'm gonna be nice today.
Continue
I'm not gonna say what I was supposed to say.
For half a mile.
Okay, hold on, girl. Anyways, you guys, welcome back to JaniqueJanee TV. We are starting a new vlog. This vlog is going to be short because it is going to be a get ready with me for Vegas.
Continue straight.
Get ready with me because I'm doing my own photo shoot for my 40th birthday. My birthday is coming up January the 4th. Why my lens look like that? Hold on. I don't know. What else? So this vlog is going to be a get ready with me because we going to Vegas for New Year. So it's only gonna be like 2 days, today and probably tomorrow. Hungry.
Mom, I'll be right with you, okay?
Okay. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so I'm at Del Taco. It is 11:10. I haven't ate, so I had to do a facial this morning. So I'm about to just get some chicken real quick. Thank you.
Let me get your biggest straw.
Okay. I think this one's fine. Oh, okay, thank you.
Anything hot sauce?
No, thank you.
No?
No. Oh.
Alright, put it forward here.
Okay, thank you.
Have a beautiful day.
You too. He's so sweet. Anyways, you guys, I am excited because y'all know I already told y'all I am like, Vegas is like my thing, okay? It's supposed to be raining out there. My friend lives out there. I was like, what are you doing? She said she don't know because it's raining. They probably are gonna cancel the fireworks show, but I just wanted to go to the strip. So anyway, so I just got, literally, it's a box with chicken strips and fries are under there. I'm about to set this up so I can eat. So you guys, I've been really thinking about, I know I just moved into, hold on, I'm gonna hold y'all so y'all don't slide, the beauty bar, but I really want a new location and I want a bigger location. I was on, not Facebook, I was on Craigslist last night and I seen, oh my god, why is it so low?
In 2 miles, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 75B for California 259 South toward I-215 South, Riverside.
Okay, so, I was on Facebook, I seen they had a location that's not too far. It's like 12. Well, we're already almost there. It's 9 minutes away, and it's a little bit more money, but it's in a better neighborhood. And I'm gonna go check it out before I call them. Like, I feel I would be getting so much more business if I didn't have my business on Del Rosa. That's the street it's on. Where I live in California. I live in San Bernardino, and you know a lot of people
in half a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 75B for California 259 South.
San Bernardino not to be the best area. So I think that takes away from my business, but this is in a nicer part. So I'm gonna check it out.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 75B.
It could be, it's even so much bigger. It could be real, like a real life beauty bar. I got it, some girls in there.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
All that. Oh my god. This is so good. It's so hard to eat and dry. I think if you have like a burrito, something that's not like you just pick up, is easier, but I don't know, I'm trying. But anyway, so that's where I'm going now. And then I have a nail appointment at 3, but I gotta go get some food to take to Vegas, so we're gonna do that too. That's why I said it's gonna be a vlog for like 2 days, me getting ready. Y'all just gonna see what I'm about to do these next 2 days. Well, today and tomorrow. That is 2 days, huh?
In half a mile, keep left to continue toward I-215 South.
I'm trying to eat this fast. I don't know why, but so I'm gonna go to Walmart and get hopefully everything at Walmart.
Keep left.
What else?
Continue for 3
Then
miles.
we're gonna go to my nail appointment. So I know I keep saying this, you guys. 2023, I'm gonna do better with my videos, more videos, educational videos. I'm really about to work on not being a procrastinator, because that's my biggest problem. Like the stuff I'm cramming today and tomorrow, I could have did it last week. Well, I want to do my pictures for my birthday.
In 2 miles, take exit 41 toward Orange Show Road, Auto Plaza Drive.
I could have been there, but I'll just be lazy. Do you guys ever like eat? Only ate. Y'all see what I just put in my mouth, and I'm already full. But I be trying to feed myself some more. Y'all drive too fucking slow. For what? Y'all almost don't want to go to work wherever y'all supposed to go. Oh my god. So I feel full. I hate the way people in California drive. I just be ready to get in an accident because hurry up. They're fucking stupid. Blame him. Don't blame me, sir. What the fuck? They be getting mad. And it always be these people with these big ass trucks that don't know how to drive their car. Drive your boy. You better learn how. Get over, sir. This is why I don't like to drive. Because people don't know how to fucking drive. I'm just gonna sit behind this motorcycle because I'm about to get off the freeway. Anyways, you guys, I just want to let y'all know what it is, what it be. Like I said, I'm just about to go check this location out. Wait, am I getting up here? No. And see if it's worth me
In half a
calling
mile,
them.
take exit 41 toward Orange Show Road, Auto Plaza Drive.
And they actually have a lot of spaces. What the hell? For rent. Like a whole, like, too big of, but, you know, I don't know.
Take exit 41.
Okay. I'm about to be here and whatnot. So I'm gonna bring y'all back in a little bit. Okay, bye.
Continue for half a mile.
The warning, pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side, and it starts to leave my life. And it tries to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need my now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my now. I really need a different mind now. I really need my now. Oh yeah. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Yeah.
I'm just gonna do this update. I was doing the bar cap method. Like, yeah, no, I don't do that no more. I just slip my hair back, put the wig. No, no, this is what I'm going in. Hold on. I put the wig cap on, and then, oh, you got, hold on. You got to be. This little, I put the bar cap on, brush my hair like up, kind of, on the edges, and put it in there, like that. And kind of like, smooth this out, and then bring it back down. I'll fix it in a minute. But, because my sides is too far gone and bad for me to keep doing that. So this is what I've been doing. And it works just the same. I'm not even going to put nothing on it. So now I'm going to spray it a little bit. And that's it. And it's quicker. So I'm just going to kind of push this hair. That's the only problem I really have in. All my hairs don't stand. That's the only thing I like about the bar cap method. So yeah. Okay.
Okay, so Erica J, or sorry, I got hair on it. Ghost Bond. Erica J. Ghost Bond. Erica J. So now I'm just using the Erica J Hold Me Down skin guard because I'm gonna put a lot of glue. So I'm just gonna clean like so. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a second. And actually, I'm just gonna dry it myself. I need to get me some of those little, like, I don't know, like what is it, popsicle sticks? Smooth this out. Oh my god, it got on my hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna do 4 layers. So this is the first. As you guys can see, I skipped there and it's on my skin. Okay, so this is the unit I am about to install. I washed it, I flat ironed it. I think I wore this one, oh my god, it feels so good, like one other time. This is the texture. It's actually wavy. I straightened it bone straight. It smells so good. So I'm about to, let's see, clip this together. That's what I do, because this, yeah, like that. So it'll be easy to put on. So we about to put this on. You guys, why? I just go in the garage. I had put the food that we're taking to Vegas in the refrigerator outside. I put the bread in James's lowrider. And those stupid fucking cats got a hold, and I didn't even see them in the garage because we've been keeping the door closed, and they sneaky asses got in the garage and ate my fucking bread. I am mad. I need a clip. Where's my clippers? I can't find my clippers. Okay, so y'all see I have put the wig on. I'm about to just, I don't have no more tweezers. Well, I don't know where they're at. I don't have them no more. So
Boy, I've been watching you. 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 I've been watching you. I've been watching you. If I let you know, you can tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just sitting around. Is it my goals or your goals? Sometimes I'm good at good. Right now I'm not at night. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me if that's okay. Say yes or say no. You. Say yes or say no. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
okay, so I'm just about to put a little bit of makeup on. We're gonna start with the mattify. It's clear. It's by Makeup Revolution. Looks like that. It's right there. This is what it is. Oh my god, let's see. Oh, it feels good. It's smooth. Okay. So, you guys, this is the dilemma. I think I'm gonna wait on my pictures because I might just have to do them in Vegas. I don't want to rush it. And it's not gonna be like it's just gonna be a, like, I could use a bathroom to do it there, like, because just don't have time. So, I don't know, I might just wait, but we still about to put a little makeup on. I want to test some of the makeup that I got out. But my face, okay. Hey, my face is breaking out so bad. I don't know why. I really just think it's the weather. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place It's a matte foundation and it is in the color Kampala 340. So that's what we're gonna try. And this is what I got it from Ulta last week. Oh, it matches pretty good. Look at that. Let's see what it's giving. Ooh, wait. Uh-oh. This might not be my color. What the hell? I can't tell. Oh, maybe. Oh, well, shit. It's down there. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, it is. Oh. I'm literally just putting it on here. Okay. Oh, it matches me really good, actually. It's giving like with a yellow undertone on this camera. On the camera it's showing up lighter than it really is. Or like kind of yellowish. I like it. It's giving, you guys. I like it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the Inflatable by L'Oreal in the color 510. Just gonna put it right there.
Boy, I've been watching you. I've been watching you.
Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm going to stop here because I'm not doing no pictures today. So it looks like I have a whole bunch of balls. So we created a little bit of baby here. I'm just gonna take this Gatsby and just spray. And I'm going to take, oh my god, it's way back here. Okay, so we're gonna take this tinted lace mousse. Just put it right here. Really didn't need it, but alright. Oh. Then I'm going to take a little bit of spritz. Dang it, I got stuck. There it goes. Okay, and one more. Oops, I'm gonna take some oil sheen. Okay. Oh my god, I like it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna come back in a little bit. Yes. Yes. Looks good. Hey everybody, okay, I'm back. I am in the car now. I'm gonna go get the bottles, so I guess I'm gonna go to Sam's Club, and then I guess after that it'll be time to take Charlie. He has an appointment to get his hair cut. I hope I'm not getting makeup on my sweater, as I feel like I am. Then I'm gonna take Charlie at 1 o'clock to get his haircut. So that'll be that for right now. I told y'all the fucking the cats got in the bread. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm going to Sam's Club, I'm just gonna see if they have some look, you ain't looking. This is the perfect time to let you smack this thing so I can get a new one. I forgot I was telling you guys. Shit, I forgot. Anyways, you guys, so yeah, my hair, I think it came out good. I'm just gonna keep this on it, so that way it'll be Vegas ready. I straightened it really good the other night, and it's just straight. I'm loving this foundation that I used today by Juvia's Place. Y'all gotta try it. So anyway, yeah, I was saying I'm gonna get the sandwiches. That's what I was saying. We're gonna get the sandwiches from Sam's Club already prepared. So yeah, I don't know if I told you guys, but we are staying in an Airbnb out there. So we got the food. You guys already seen how I get down in Vegas. or any Airbnb, I like to be very prepared. But oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So remember that unit I went to go see yesterday? Well, he rented it out. I wanted it so bad. I wanted to get it. So I'm not getting it. But I asked him if he had anything else like kind of that size, I guess. But he's like a slow texter, so I don't know about him. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna holler back at you guys later. I just got on the freeway. Like I said, I'm going to Sam's Club, and y'all already know these people in California don't like to participate with the rest of the traffic and let you in. They like to drive faster when they see you coming, like some weird shit. So let me watch this road, and I'll be back. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all inside Sam's Club with me, because I'm just literally grabbing some liquor. I think that's all I needed. We got water. Oh, sodas. So liquor, soda, and shit, maybe and the sandwiches. If not, I'll just get the bread and do it myself, because I really want to make the sandwiches. But that's it, you guys. So I'm about to listen to this radio, and we about to get this day going. It is 10. What time is it? It's 10:56. So I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, I am back. Oh, my battery about to die. So I'm back. I just dropped Charlie off at the groomer. He about to get his hair cut. Hurry up! Hurry the oh my God, you black son of a biscuit ass, turkey burnt dinner ass hoe.